Now we will see analysis of block pulley system. In the given figure, two blocks of masses M1 and M2 are being attached by string passing over a smooth massless pulley. The pulley is being fixed with a rope from a fixed support as shown in figure. Now we have to find acceleration of block and tension in the string. For calculating accelerations of block and tension in string, let's draw free body diagrams for M1 and M2 blocks. And if you want to know the reaction force at the fixed support, then we need to draw the free body diagram for the pulley also. The free body diagram for M2 is like this. M2G is acting in vertical downward direction and tension T is acting in upward direction. Similarly, for M1, M1G is acting in vertical downward direction and tension T is acting in vertical upward direction. For pulley, the reaction force R is acting in upward direction and tension TT, which are same on both the sides, are acting downward. Whenever massless pulley is there, then tension in string on both the sides of pulley will remain same. Now we start writing equations of Newton's laws of motion for M1, M2 and pulley. Since M2 is more than M1, so equation for M2 is M2G minus T equal to M2A, and equation for M1 is T minus M1G equal to M1A. Equation for pulley is R minus 2T equal to 0 because pulley is massless. So R equal to 2T. After solving, M2G minus T equal to M2A and T minus M1G equal to M1A, we get acceleration A equal to M2 minus M1 upon M1 plus M2 whole multiplied by G. We can write acceleration directly as net pulling force divided by total moving mass. If we substitute the value of acceleration, we will get tension T in the string equal to 2m1 m2 into G upon m1 plus m2. Now let's see example based on the pulley block system. Suppose two blocks of masses m and 2m are being attached with a massless string through a smooth massless pulley as shown in figure. Find the acceleration of the system. Since 3m is more than m, so system will move in downward direction, and we can write equations after drawing free body diagrams like this: 3mg minus t equal to 3m into a, t minus mg equal to m into a. Acceleration of m, the magnitude of acceleration of m and 3m will be same, because there is only one string and string is inextensible. So here acceleration is 2mg upon 4m, that is g by 2. We can write direct equation of acceleration, that is net pulling force divided by total moving mass. What is net pulling force? 3mg is acting downward on right side, mg is acting downward on left side. So net pulling force is 2mg and total moving mass is 4m. So acceleration is 2mg upon 4m, that is g by 2.